I'm Chef Jeffers from the Fireside Cookery School. I'm working along with Queens and St Angela's on their COVID-19 survey. We found due to furlough and job losses, people are finding it really tough at the moment. So here's some lovely tips to stretch your budget. So what we're going to make now is a fantastic winter broth. I'm going to use the carcasses of a chicken that I've already roasted today. You can do this on a Sunday if you're having chicken for your roast, or you can use actually your turkey carcass chopped up too if you're making something at Christmas there, okay? Basically what I have in here, I have my carcass, which I've cooked already. I have an onion chopped up in quarters, and I'm going to bring that to a boil, and I'm going to simmer this for about an hour and try and get all that lovely flavour from the chicken or the turkey. I have some soup mix here, okay, vegetables. We have carrot, leek, celery. And also I have some soup pulses, which you can buy in a little bag in the shop. There's barley in here, there's split peas, there's yellow lentils, okay? Soak those for about 4 hours and give them a good wash before you use them. I have trimmed all the bits of the chicken underneath that I had, or if you're using turkey, the same thing, just to finish the soup with. And then I have some freshly chopped parsley. So I'm going to boil this and simmer it for about an hour. So as soon as that's done, I'm going to come back to you and I'm going to show you how to finish this amazing soup off. So our stock's been simmering for an hour. I've got myself another pot here with a sieve, and I'm going to pass this through the sieve into that other pot. Simple as that. That's all that chicken there. Also, do you know when you do that, you'll probably find still there's lovely bits of chicken there. So I can find pieces already. So I can put that in with my other bowl. Okay, so we'll pass your stock, and what we're going to do now is we're going to put in our vegetables. All your vegetables are washed, chopped and all. You can buy those packet vegetables that are already chopped for you handy in the shop this time of the year. All your pulses are getting in. And they go. Put all your chicken in there. Shredded chicken. And it goes. 3 pinches of salt. We'll leave that parsley later. We're going to bring that to a boil now, and we're going to simmer that for just under an hour. And after an hour's time, that's going to be lovely. It's going to be ready to go. We're going to check the flavour of it. If it needs more seasoning, we'll add more seasoning to it, and then we're going to add our parsley last minute. Okay? So there you go. That's our lovely winter broth. I have added some parsley to that. I've added a wee bit of twisted pepper. I checked the seasoning. It's really good. It doesn't really need much salt, but you can decide yourself how much salt you like. Again, leftovers there, that's just some pulses there. We've got some lovely vegetables. Used my chicken carcass up, and there you go. Fantastic soup for the winter. Obviously I'm serving a bit of bread, and if you like your butter, you can get a bit of butter in that there. Absolutely delicious. Winter broth, bread, butter, there you go. What's not to like?